an episode of Lamborghini TV, and it's this evening's episode because it's 5:41 on a Thursday evening. Jesse called me. The Lamborghini Murcielago is ready for the very first fire up. Uncle Pete, you know you're coming over, so we're headed to Jesse's right now. Anyways, let's take a moment, hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up to this video, even though we're not done the video and you want to give me the thumbs up for, but just give the thumbs up anyway. We're just headed down the 400 highway, and in about 15 minutes, which would be, oh shit. Why is there traffic? Lights, red lights. The north side of the northbound side of the 400 is shut down. And for whatever reason, there's a Yukon in the southbound lanes stopped for no reason. He's on top of the bridge, and then it looks like the emergency is, I think a car went down the embankment. I don't know. Oh, there's a truck flipped over in the ditch that way. And then at the very same time, for whatever reason, the bridge up here has police everything on it. They have alright, so we approached that accident. I didn't know if it was a minor fender bender or not, so I videoed it, but it looked like somebody decided to jump off a bridge and it caused an accident not only in the northbound lanes but in the southbound lanes. I guess some people saw it, maybe reacted going south and flipped the car into the ditch. I'll show that because it's just a car on its side and looks like they were standing beside it. But the other part, you know what, that's sad, and we're not gonna, I'm not gonna show that. But anyways, let's keep going to Jesse's. Let's keep the mood positive. You know, it's a big day for Jesse. He's worked very hard on this car, and let's start this Murcielago up. Oh, tunnel blast, ready? Ready? How was that? Oh, I just want to check out, how's that hair? Ooh. I just want to check out the car in this low light right now. It actually looks good for a dirty car. It does look good. Anyways, Jesse's here. He just opened up the garage. Jesse, what are we working on?
Oh, we're gonna fire it today.
How do we know it's ready to fire?
We think it's gonna. We think it's gonna go.
Look at this thing.
Look at that.
All back together. So you remember, I'm gonna put a picture right here of the back of this car empty, and then smash right here. It's got an engine. How many hours would you say it is to hook this back up?
20-ish.
To hook it back up? Why would you have to do?
Well, you just connect everything slowly, right? You know, I'm only working on it a few hours here and there, so it's hard. I really didn't log it properly.
Jesse has all the new hoses on. These are the fancy, what are they, the 4-layer something or other?
4-layer silicone, all brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new, you know, every oil is new, everything is new.
It's so weird because I remember seeing this car for, what, 2.5, 3 months just sitting on the little lift, I don't know, little cart he made over there.
Yeah.
But now look at it, it's back in, it looks friggin' cleaner than brand new. He's got the new, what is this, coating, or what is it called?
Yeah, well, that's the torsion bar. The paint was all bubbled off of it.
Yeah.
So that's from Vibrant Performance. It's like the heat shielding that I used up on that hood there. Yeah. So I repainted the bar and then put that to protect it.
And you put the muffler back in. I thought we were going to straight back this.
That's temporary because I don't want flames shooting out when we're testing things.
No, we do want flames shooting out when we test drive this. Or fire it, I should say. All right, so we're just gonna wait for Pete. Pete's gonna roll here in 2 seconds, but really it'll be about 20 minutes or 30 minutes for us. So let's say hi to Pete. Late to the party, Pete we call him. Oh, it's too dark right now. Hopefully this camera's good in low light. I gotta show you Pete's car. Pete has the Canadian arm, and here's his wheelchair coming. Can you see that? It's pretty dark right now. Oh, there's the afternoon shift right there.
How's it going, gentlemen?
But
big day.
Pete, you should have arrived earlier. I don't know if this is going to show up on camera. I'm going to try to adjust the low light sensitivity. No. So, yeah, this is not the greatest light for this.
With all its bells and buzzing whistles and
When did those whistles? That never used to do that.
Oh yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
It's gonna have trouble with the ice thing here.
Yeah, here, I got it.
Get a self-driving car.
There we go. You're gonna go for a ride, and if you fall on your ass, I'm gonna be kicking you in your ass.
Well, don't forget to video it.
You're not gonna be slipping on the ice, are you? You're gonna be doing some burnouts.
Yeah, my winter tires on. See the size of them?
Yeah. Put a big scratch mark upside this red car. Did you get into the beers before you came, Pete? We got Pete here. We're gonna have a little bit of a sip of tea. Pete's got his what is that? Ice cappuccino.
Summer drink.
Ice cappuccino right now. He's gonna kick his ass if he keeps drinking those. But all right. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna start this thing up. There. Pete just told me that his mom watches my videos, but she's not subscribed. Pete, how long will it take your mom to subscribe?
Probably half an hour.
Good enough. Good. Approved. Good enough. All right, so we're gonna start the Murcielago right now. Jesse's getting in. He can still fit in the car. Get your hey, feed off the new mats there. New mats. So we didn't I will assure you, we did not go ahead and start the car to make sure it started first. This is the actual first start before Jesse, or after Jesse put the car back together. So Jesse, whenever you're ready.
This is a real.
Oh, and just to be
What?
straight too, and if people watch this video, I'm not Bernie, okay? So
put some music on. Pete will start just doing one of these like Weekends at Bernie. If you are born in the 80s, you'll know what Weekend at Bernie is. So Jesse's gonna start the car now, and we'll see if there's any smoke on it.
It's a real cold start.
3, 2, 1.
It actually just, I don't know if I'm as smart as you are, it actually just fired up. I don't know how well you can hear me on this. Right there we got the serpentine or serpentine, whatever you want to call it. It's running real smooth. It actually is kind of cool with the exhaust shooting straight down. What's it idling at?
About 985 RPM.
Is that normal for it?
Yep.
Yeah. It sounds normal to you?
Perfect.
The first startup, again, we did not pre-plan that. We didn't go ahead and be a dick and start the engine up to make sure it worked first, then do it for the camera. That was an actual first cold startup since the engine was sitting right over there behind Pete. Anyways, comment below. Oh, the battery light's flashing. So comment below if you have any questions for Jesse or Pistol Pete about the Canada arm in that Lexus. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, and we'll see you on the next one.